G'day guys, Ben here from Gold Diggers. Now, yesterday you saw me clean up the Dream Mat, the Gold Rat Dream Mat, with a little bit of material we had through it. As you can see there, that's all the material I'm left with at the end of it. So what I just thought I'd do is I'd just give you a quick panning demonstration. Now bear in mind this dirt is actually washed so we can keep it clean, and so you can see the reason we do that is we keep the so we get the water's clean so you can see what the mat's doing, and when we're doing these panning demonstrations we can just quite quickly show you exactly what's happening in the mat, in the pan. So basically panning, right? I do a lot of this side to side motion, and what it's doing is it's actually settling the gold. When you look at the side of that pan, it's actually settling all the gold in that corner of the pan. So as we run the material off the front of the pan, the gold's still sitting in that bottom corner. So you're not risking any gold, losing any gold. So we just do this motion, wash the material out, then we settle it back down, do the same side to side motion, and then settle the gold in the back in the corner. We wash the lighter material out, bring it back again, right, settle it back down and wash out. We'll bring that back now. We'll get that washed out. I'm starting to get down to just the black sand now, so I'm going to be a little bit more cautious now. Side to side motion to settle it all down. We'll get rid of the last of that sand, and you can see the black sand in the bottom of that pan starting to show with the gold. Okay, so what I then do is I'll bring it back and I'll just do one more this side. What I then do is I bring all the material back down to the straight side. What I can then do is, as the gold's traveling along this flat edge, I can watch the gold as it travels out of this pan and pull it up just in time. It's much easier to get this black sand out if you just can't see any gold there now. Can't see any there now. But as you can see, you can just take little tiny bits out at a time. There's a bit. So we'll bring it back. Then we'll just continue to work it until we see the first bit of gold start to travel down the pan. There's a bit right on the tip there, so we'll bring it all back into the pan. Now, I'm not going to muck around and get rid of all this black sand because it is horrible stuff, but just to give you a bit of an idea of what's in this pan, we'll just, that's a pretty decent pan full of gold there. So lots of work separating it out, but yeah, that's a nice pan there. So that's just basically all solid gold through there. So that's a beautiful pan of gold, and hopefully your weekend will have pans in it like that. Okay guys, have a great weekend. See you later, hey.